How to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Genshin Impact. So open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link www.genshin.hoyoverse.com/new detail. It is going to take you to the official page where you can go and simply download the following applications. So while you're on the official site here, you just have to go and press on PC download. As you do that, the exe file is going to load up in the top right. Just wait patiently until the exe file has been completely installed. Just go ahead and open up the file location and then run the installation. And tap the yes button to begin with the procedure once again. Next, you just have to go ahead and run the installation, and you've successfully downloaded as well as installed the Genshin Impact on your device. So then you can also start creating your account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.